Hi, I'm Manish Agarwal, residing at Chitranjan Park, New Delhi. So we are staying in this place for last 12 to 14 years. Initially, when the house was constructed, lift was not installed. Couple of years back, when we decided to install the lift, we wanted to have a lift which goes exactly as per theme and decor of our house. So that was the time we connected with EliteElevator for installing the lift. During initial time, they recommended this particular model going with complete glass shaft and glass cabin. Final outcome has been really incredible, and I'm very happy with the final product, which is going and blending the theme and decor of my house. They had been good to recommend the shaft during installation time, as it was within the house, so extra care had to be taken. Pretty happy with the final outcome and the way the final execution was carried out. Thank you.